What made you want to come to this program?
I don't really know. I like making things with my hands, I guess.
Yeah. I feel like this will prepare you
Yes.
for what you want to do.
Especially with Mr. Acosta, he came straight from industry, so you know he knows what we need to know.
Yeah.
Now see, that's it still, and we're able to move the carrot to the end of the taper attachment. All right. So we got that at the end of the taper attachment. Okay, so now break that loose. So machining is where we take a piece of raw stock. This is a piece of aluminum. We'll take this piece of aluminum and we will machine it and turn that into something useful that the industry could use or you could use.